G'day everybody, where's Wally here? I just had a look on the Himawari8 and you can see a whole pile of floodwaters over northern Queensland. It is after about 1 metre of rain over the last week or two, and there's floodwater everywhere. You can see it on the 10th of February, and I'll have a look again on the 11th to see what we can see. But it looks pretty amazing. I include a blink test as well, so you can see the extent of the floodwater. You can even see it running into the ocean at Townsville and in the Gulf. And finally, even the DSCOVR EPIC camera can see it, and there's a beautiful flare off the water.